AI you can talk to? Meet ChatGPT, the AI that learns like a human. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about an exciting topic, ChatGPT, the AI that learns and adapts. So, let's get started. Before we dive into ChatGPT, let's first understand what AI is. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art AI language model developed by OpenAI. It is one of the most powerful AI systems that can process natural language and generate human-like responses. It is trained on a massive dataset of over 8 million web pages and has a capacity of 175 billion parameters, making it the largest AI language model available today. ChatGPT works by processing natural language input and generating a response based on its understanding of the input. It uses a neural network architecture called Transformer, which allows it to process text sequences of variable length and generate output in a context-sensitive manner. What sets ChatGPT apart from other AI language models is its ability to adapt to various tasks and domains. It can be fine-tuned to perform specific tasks such as language translation, summarization, question answering, and even creative writing. ChatGPT has a wide range of use cases in various industries, including healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. In healthcare, ChatGPT can assist doctors and healthcare professionals in diagnosing diseases and recommending treatments. In finance, it can help with stock prediction and risk assessment. In education, it can be used to develop personalized learning plans for students, and in entertainment, it can be used to generate engaging content for social media and other platforms. So, there you have it, ChatGPT, the AI that learns and adapts. Its ability to process natural language and generate human-like responses has opened up a whole new world of possibilities in various industries. With its adaptability and flexibility, ChatGPT is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with machines and each other. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one.